Welcome to the French Drain Man channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, and I want to talk to you about our yard drain pipe. The French Drain Man's high octane yard drain pipe is purpose built. It has more inlet than any other pipe in the world. Water takes the path of least resistance. So when a pipe has so much inlet for the water just to flow through, nothing works better than the French Drain Man high octane yard drain pipe. It has over 17 square inches of inlet per linear foot, and it'll move water faster than any other pipe in the world. It's simply put, the fastest yard drain pipe on the planet. Anything else is just a distant second.